Hi, this is EnGuard support, and this tutorial will be covering sending password-protected encrypted emails. We will show you how to send a password-protected encrypted email to any recipient outside of EnGuard's secure network. This message encryption feature is designed to encrypt the message body of the email and its attachments up to 25 megabytes. Delivering your message to the recipient through our secure messaging system. This does not protect information in the subject line, so be sure to avoid adding any PHI to the subject line when using this tool. Now, how to send a password-protected encrypted email message. You're going to start a new message from any email application on your computer or mobile device. In this example, we will compose a new message from our Webmail. So we're in Webmail and typing out our email. Let's see. On the subject line, you're going to type the word secure, and it's not case sensitive as the first word, following by the message subject. So in this case, we'll just type secure, and your results are ready, exclamation point. Type your message, and that's it. You're going to go ahead and send it. If the word secure is anywhere within the subject line, the message will be sent as a password-protected encrypted message through our secure messaging system. The word secure will not be visible to your recipient, and they will see anything else typed on the subject line. Please be aware that the subject lines are not encrypted, and for best email practices and security and HIPAA compliance, do not add sensitive patient information to any email on the subject line. You will receive an email confirmation, right as shown here, that the message was sent to the recipient successfully and encrypted. So you see that here. So meanwhile, your recipient will receive an email notification that you have sent them a secure message. So we go over here, your results are ready, here it is. They will then click the link provided to open a secure web page to see the message. So we're going to go ahead and click here, and it'll automatically prompt the user to create a new password or create a password that they want, and it could be anything that they choose, and log in to see the message. They will use that same password to open all future encrypted emails from you. So we're just going to go ahead and log in here and see your results are ready in the messaging platform. They are now logged into our secure messaging system, and they can view your message and reply back to you securely. So if we open that up, you see the same message that we just sent Bob. So we're going to reply as well. They can reply back to you, and this is secure. They can also draft a new email as well via the compose button here to start a new message to send to you securely as well. All replies or messages from the recipient sent from our secure messaging system will arrive in your inbox as a clear text. So as example, here we are replying saying thanks doc, exclamation point, and we'll just go ahead and send that. And then we'll go back over to our Dr. Doe's email in a moment. Let's see, we go back here. And the results are, the email is back, the reply is there. If you reply from here again, you do need to type secure again in the subject line. So if you were going to reply with any kind of PHI or additional information, you would have to type secure again. And it will go straight to their inbox as well. So you need to type secure again to keep it secure. And that's it. That's how you send a password-protected encrypted email with EnGuard. As always, if you have any additional questions, you can always reach out to our support staff at support@enguard.com if you need further assistance. Thank you.